How to say I don't understand in Urdu. In Urdu, you'll say मैं समझा नहीं. मैं समझा नहीं. If you're a man, and if you're a female, you'll say मैं समझी नहीं. मैं समझी नहीं. This is the past simple tense. समझना is the verb to understand. समझना. मैं समझा नहीं और मैं नहीं समझा. You can also say मैं नहीं समझा as well. So you can say it when you're talking to people from Pakistan or India and you don't understand what they're saying, or if they're too fast, you can say मैं समझा नहीं. क्या आप दोबारा बोल सकती हैं? क्या आप दोबारा बोल सकती हैं? Can you say it again? दोबारा means again. बोलना is to say. बोल सकती हैं means are you able to say? Are you able to say it again? Are you able to repeat? मैं समझा नहीं. क्या आप दोबारा बोल सकती हैं? You'll say sakti when you're talking to a female. And if you're talking to a man, you'll say क्या आप दोबारा बोल सकते हैं? मैं समझा नहीं. क्या आप दोबारा बोल सकते हैं? Or another way to say it is मैं समझी नहीं. दोबारा बोलना. मैं समझी नहीं. दोबारा बोलना. बोलना is an infinitive verb, which is to say, and you can use an infinitive verb as an imperative, as a command. So you can just say karna, bolna. Here you're saying bolna as a command. You can raise your intonation in the end. Another sentence is मैं समझी नहीं तुम क्या बोलना चाहते हो? मैं समझी नहीं तुम क्या बोलना चाहते हो? I don't understand. What do you want to say? मैं समझी नहीं तुम क्या बोलना चाहते हो? Another sentence you can say for I don't understand is मुझे समझ नहीं आया. मुझे समझ नहीं आया. समझ आना is a compound verb. समझ आना. मुझे is pronoun मैं combined with को. मुझको or मुझे. With समझ आना, the subject must be marked with को. मुझे. It depends upon the object that you didn't understand. So for example, if the object is feminine, you'll say मुझे समझ नहीं आई. मुझे तुम्हारी बात समझ नहीं आई. तुम्हारी बात means your talk. Talk, बात is feminine. So it is नहीं आई. मुझे तुम्हारी बात समझ नहीं आई. मुझे तुम्हारी बात समझ नहीं आई. तुम दोबारा बोलो या तुम दोबारा समझाओ. There you have it. Quite common question my students ask. So I'll see you later. Subscribe if you want to see more videos. Have a good day and goodbye.